Really quickly, I just wanted to come show you guys the hair, the update after the boiling method. It did air dry overnight, and this is the end result. I do not have any product in it. I do need to go ahead and add oils, but I just wanted to show you guys what you could expect upon boiling your hair and without adding any product. This hair is extremely soft now, and this is something that I decided to do more so because I bleached this hair and I dyed this hair, and I kind of just left it unattended and it was very dry. So to rejuvenate and revive this hair, I decided to go in and boil it. Linda Word on YouTube left a comment on my last video asking how often you should be implementing this boiling method into your raw hair care routine. And this is actually not something that I do often. I believe once a year will be good. I like to think of this as more so of like a steam treatment. So think of it as a steam treatment that you would do on your natural hair. It's not something that you always want to do. However, the heat and the steam promote hydration into your curls, into your hair. So that is why I decided to do it. This is something that I would say, again, do once a year. And in terms of what you could do monthly or more often than the boiling method is deep conditioning your hair. So I like to deep condition my hair at least once a month, and to deep condition it, I take my favorite conditioner, I put it all over the hair, of course while the hair is wet. I take the hair, I put it in a plastic bag, I tie the plastic bag, and I put it under my hooded dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. After it's sat in heat, I then allow it to sit in that plastic bag overnight, and then the next morning I'll go in and I'll rinse it, leave it to air dry. I'll put in my leave-in conditioner, put in my oils, and it'll be good. So deep conditioning is another way to revive and ensure that your hair stays moisturized, as well as the boiling method. And so I just want you guys to see these curls. This hair is absolutely beautiful. Now this hair is a year old. Most of the units that I show you guys are a year old. I really want to prove to you guys that you can expect longevity with your hair. This is the exact same unit that I wore last year. I believe it was a it was a curly hair routine video. I did it around the same time last year, and this is the exact same unit. So again, you can definitely expect longevity with your JHA Raw Indian hair. And if you have any questions, as always, don't hesitate to leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Juicy Hair Affair. And don't forget to shop JHA for temptingly appealing raw Indian hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay blessed and stay juicy.